Hey guys, Justin, co-founder of Kuju Coffee here to show you how to brew cold brew coffee with our travel 5-pack. This is something that is not advertised on our packaging because our travel 5-packs have 5 filters, but it's a little insider tip, a little trick that you can use for when you're on the go. The great thing about this is that you can make cold brew coffee anywhere. You don't need any jars, you don't necessarily need a refrigerator. All you need is a travel 5-pack, about 2.5 cups of water, and 12 to 24 hours for your coffee to brew. What's the difference about cold brew coffee versus pour over coffee or hot coffee is that cold brew coffee takes a little bit longer. So what you're actually getting is a smoother cup of coffee because you're not extracting any of those bitter notes from hot coffee. So this is how you do it. First, make sure you have a travel 5-pack from us. This has 5 filters with coffee inside. Depending on your preference, it could be a light, medium, or dark roast, our Angel's Landing Base Camp Blend, or Bold Awakening. You can choose either of them. You can get them all on our website. We recommend the Base Camp Blend because as a medium roast, we think it tastes the best for cold brew. It has some of the floral acidic notes while giving some of those roastier notes that we like in our darker coffees. So first step, just open it up, tear it along the notch. And you'll see there are 5 filters in here, just like this. You want to leave these in here. You don't want to touch them, you don't want to open them, because the great thing about this is it works as a cold brewer because everything is already sealed up. So take one of these, and then pour cold water from whatever device you have or from wherever your source is, just straight into the bag, all the way up to the top. It's about 2.5 cups of water. The filters will float up to the top, but you can just push them back down. Push that back down, and then you'll zip it up. You want to make sure that there are no leaks in here, because otherwise things will spill out. So now you have a little cold brew bag that is brewing you coffee. Zip it up, give it a little shake, gentle stir. You want to make sure that all of the coffee is saturated and is touching the water so that it actually brews. And then put this in the fridge or cooler if you're out camping for at least 12 hours, up to 24 hours, depending on how strong you like it. If you don't have a cold place to put it, that's okay. You can leave it at room temperature as well. It won't go bad. And then once you're done, you'll have your cold brew coffee. I just pulled this from our refrigerator. It's a cold brew concentrate, so what you'll need some sort of cup, glass, device, enamel mug. You want to mix that with some water, about 1 part water, and just open up your cold brew, and you can pour it directly from the bag. There you have it. You have a fresh cup of cold brew coffee made with Kuju Coffee's Travel 5-packs, and this will stay good for up to 2 weeks in your refrigerator, but we like to drink it as soon as it's made. Thank you guys. Let us know if you have any questions, try it out, and let us know in the comments below what you think.